Hello dear subscribers, today I'll tell you how to fix problems that you just try to open some page in Safari and you just see cannot open a page, so how you can also fix it. So first thing, just try to close Safari and just open it again, and if it doesn't help you, just go to the settings. In the settings you need to find Wi-Fi, so just open Wi-Fi, just try to turn it off and turn on again. So another thing you can try to open seller data, just try to turn it off and turn on again. And if it doesn't help you, just go to the general. In the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait for a second, and just power the phone again. So just simple restart phone. And if you still have this error, so you can also just try to check updates for your iPhone. So just go to the settings, to the general. In the general, just open software update, and if you see here available update, just tap on download and install, and wait until it will successfully install the latest updates for your iPhone. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like and bye.